How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in today. And for today's detail, I have a 2021 Hyundai Tucson. Yes, this is just a few months old, and you've seen from the earlier intro videos, this car is an absolute mess. So let's get this detail started. To give you a little bit more information about this particular vehicle, this is a 2021, a few months old vehicle, and only has about 12,000 miles on it, and was on the brink of a disaster because the back seats had spilled milk all over it, and food and every sort of thing was on those seats. So they will be getting a complete shampoo today. So guys, if you like transformation videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like the video and comment down below to let me know what do you think. Here I am using a clay bar to decontaminate the paint completely, so when I apply wax to the vehicle, there is a smooth surface. as I was shampooing these seats, I could not get these stains out and I was getting frustrated, and the same thing went on the passenger carpet as well, so I was having issues there. So I thought that customer has spilled something really strong that is not coming out, so it is going to be like that. But when I was cleaning the front passenger door, when I was using my steamer, which I always use for all my plastic and is the best way to clean all the plastics in the car, the blue stains that were on the seat were on the door as well, and they came off. That's when I realized that customer had a wax based deodorizer in the car, so when she was driving it spilled on the seats and the carpet. So I used the steamer on the seats as well, and it was easily able to pull out all these stains from the carpet and the seats. So guys, all the equipments and the tools and the products that I use are all listed in the description below, so you can check them out for yourself. After cleaning all the interior, I move on to the paint to apply wax, and then move on to the tires to apply tire dressing, and I revisit the door jambs because, as you saw in the earlier video, I washed the door jambs completely. So I make sure that I go over them one more time to remove any water spots, and at the end clean all the glass to make sure when the customer picks up the car it's absolutely clean, and give it a last vacuum inside as well. The ending on this video is a little bit different because during the daylight saving, the time catches to us really fast, the night falls really fast. So guys, enjoy the end videos, they are amazing.